Hello, welcome to this video. In this short video, I want to show you how to implement stratified random sampling. What I mean is you have a sampling frame like this, where you have the list of governments, which is over 700, and you have them within each state. These are local governments in Nigeria, and you have the states. The states don't have equal number of local governments. A quick way to just check that, I'll just put the pivot table there and just put it here. So these are the states, and I just count. So as you can see, they don't have equal number of local governments. If I sort this in descending, so we have one that has 44, it's 34. I have one that has 8 and then 6. So let's assume we want to use this for some kind of research, and we need a random number of LGAs to sample from. For instance, I want to carry out research that will cover the entire country, and I need, say, 4 LGAs per state. Something that will maybe come out like this. I will have the states. I have these are the LGAs I was able to randomly sample at the mouth date. I have these 4 LGs randomly sampled. So how do I implement this quickly using Excel? You'll be surprised that it's quite simple, much simpler than you can imagine. So this is what it's going to look like when we are done. Let me use the first example. Say I need 4. So I'm going to explain how this works and how to pull all of this together. So let's start. So let's assume that this is my state, list of states, sorted in ascending order, and I have the LGs. They could also be sorted. So the first thing I'll need, let me just clean up all of this. The first thing I'll need is a random numbers generator. Something to just assign random numbers to each of the over 700 LGs in my sampling frame. I think I should just freeze this. Okay, freeze. Okay. So the formula for that is rand. Doesn't take any arguments. I'll just, sorry, rand new arguments. Right. So I'll just double click on that, and it goes on. So every time I do anything, this is very volatile. If I press F9, it changes. So the numbers will change every time. All right. So the next thing I want to do is to assign a rank to each of these within each state, such that the first rank, would be the first, uh, like this state has 18 LJ, so I will have a rank of 1 to 18 randomly assigned within each state, within this state, and I'll come to the next one. Sorry, I think okay, then I'll come to the next state, say, oops, I think the freeze view keep top row. Okay, great. So I'll come to say this Adamawa state, and I'll have a rank that will also go from 1 to 21. There are 21 there. So how do I do this quickly? So I'm using the sum product, and the sum product is simply to say that for every state that is Abia, from all the states that are Abia, check for all the states that are Abia. When you have them, then you're going to rank each of these from 1 to the end. That's look for every number, like this one, these numbers are randomly generated. So it's going to assign the lowest value in these random numbers 1, and then the next to it to up to the highest one, which will be 18. So let's see that simple formula. Let's say sum product. So I'm going to say on this, I'm going to say for this, so that's control shift down there, and I press F4, is equal to this, that's A2, close that bracket, multiplied by all the numbers here. Okay, I press F4 again, that are less than or equal to number I have here, C2. Okay, so if I close that, I have it 12. So that implies that in this range, this is the 12th highest rank. And if I double click on that, okay, great. So you will see it has become 6 because this volatile changes. So if you see within this space now, the minimum value is 1, the maximum is 18, and it ranks them that way. So what it does is just looks for, okay, this this gives me an array of all the states, and then it will look for all the states that are Abia, that's just this. And then it will now, and the next thing it will do is within this range also, it will look for which one is less than this. Normally there will be several others, but because I have two conditions to fulfill, so it just stops here. And then so I have 1 to 18 there. So if you look at the next states, Adamawa has 1 to 21, so and so on and so forth. So it's that simple. So the final step now, or the second to the last step, is okay, I want to select 4 out of these LGs now. So I have them assigned random numbers. Like this is 6 now. If I press F9 for the sheet to recalculate, you can see it becomes 2. Press F9 again, becomes 14. Because these are random numbers, so they become random. So all I need to do is just to say if if this is greater than this one, which already I named target, in a named range. If it's greater than that, then I'll give it a dash. Else, just give me LG here, and I'll just close that. So because 10 is greater than 4, so it gives me dash. I'll just double click on that. Great. So if you look at this state Abia now, that's selected 4 randomly out of them and excluded the others. In the same way, if you look at the state Adamawa, that's excluded all these ones and I selected exactly 4, and that's what I have in all of them. If I press F9 to select another set of 4, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. Okay, if I press F9 again, select another 4. So how do I ensure that this list will at least stay the same so that I'm able to use them for my analysis? That is where the final step is, which is to use a pivot table. So to do that, I'll just highlight all of. So if I want, or before then, if I want 6, I can just simply change this to 6, and then it will randomly pick 6 from all the edges. You see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the end of the state. If I say F9 here, it randomly picks 6 for me. All right. So how do I ensure that I always have these, so that I can use it for my analysis, for my research, and ensure that this list I'm going to be using is constant. It doesn't keep changing every time I want to go back there. All right. So, and of course, to even get this out. So one quick way to do that is just highlight the whole data, Control Shift down there, and insert a pivot table. This just insert it in a notebook. Okay, I have my pivot table. So I need the list, I need the state, and I need the LGs, Okay, sorry, I need the sample that has been selected. That's those LGs have been selected. So you can see for each state, I have Abia, and I have the 4 states selected. I have Adamawa, I have the 4 states, and all the other ones are excluded. I'm selecting just 4. If you look at it, okay, think working with this. Okay, so let me refresh. Supposed to be 6, so I have 6 here. All right. Okay, so how do I so that's the final list. So the rest is just to format this so that it looks really clean. So I'll just quickly do that. I pivot table cleanup. The first thing, let me remove auto fit, display, don't want the expand and collapse button showing, and then in the design I'll say no subtotals, and then the report is tabular form, and that's it. So that's it. So the other thing I want to do is just exclude all this dash, and of course I can also bring the ranks that have been assigned to them. So but before that, let me just do this. I say I don't want value. I want labels that does not contain this. Okay, and that's it. It's later than the ranks. Bingo. All right. So basically, that's how. So this is my list that I want. So I have a list of 6 out of each LGA. If I change this to, let's say, I now want 3 per state. I want 3 LGAs per state. I have that. All I have to do is just refresh my table, and then bingo, you have it. So you have 3 LGAs per state. So this one quick way you can implement simple random, stratified random sampling when you have a sampling frame. No matter how many you have, I think this will always work. Thank you.